Me and Jen are going to be recording things on our little fidget things. Okay. Do you love me?
Ooh, that's a bad one, what I just said. Wait, I have a good one.
Guess what I'm saying? Wait, let's do the guess what I'm saying challenge. Okay, what am I saying?
Power to the power.
No, every night I lie in bed.
Don't even start with that song. This is my favorite.
Yeah, same. Here's our, so there's this side. This one.
They've already seen it.
No, this is our candy cup. Well, I showed them. There's this side. In one of the videos, I farted. So I had to delete it. And it was loud. Okay, so.
You notice you said that on this video?
Yeah, I did. I just deleted it.
Wait, what did I say? What did I say? What did I say?
Why you mean?
Fight me. Okay, what did I say? Ready?